Hi, welcome to Mia Plays. Like and subscribe.
Hi guys, today we'll be opening up Kinder Joy eggs with
Chucky
Stuffies,
no.
and this is my brother Max.
And this is my chocolate egg.
Let's open them. Time to open them. Yeah. Want to help you, Max? Ready?
Let me open these ones too.
Okay, but first let's open this one. Here you go. Thanks. Let's open them. I'm gonna open up my chocolate first. First, grab your spoon. Okay. Guys, look what Max got.
Hoop smash! Hoop smash! Mommy,
Got Hulk.
Daddy,
Really tiny.
Where's this go?
I'll show you after, Max. But first, let's eat our chocolate.
What? Okay. It's not chocolate, it's vanilla and chocolate.
This is what it looks like. We will show you guys at the end what it looks like.
No, this stuff.
That's a spoon. Let's eat the chocolate.
But I'm
Look at this chocolate. It's so yummy.
yummy, this is nice.
Yummy.
Check that chocolate.
Where's the chocolate? I'm just opening mine.
I'm done. I'm done, Daddy.
I got Black Widow.
You're good, cause you're back.
I'm happy I got a girl.
What does this do? Check this. Oh, yeah, this.
I don't know.
This is what it looks like. Black Widow. On to the next one.
You have your chocolate, Max. Can I just put the garbage under here? Okay. The next one. Let's open our second one. Want me to open it again, Max? Oh no!
Lisa, don't open this.
No, don't open it yet.
Why not?
Not yet.
Look at that. You open my other one.
No, this is mine.
That's mine.
No, this is yours.
Oh. Oh.
There's yours. Do not eat the chocolate yet. First, open that. Let's open them.
Oh.
What do you get?
Captain America.
Max got Captain America.
That's what he looks like. Boop, boop.
Hey, what's
Here you go.
this? Is
Let's put the stand on.
What's this? Where's the tail? It's not tail. Oh.
Not there. It's okay.
It's no one. Oh, this one is.
There it is.
I'm missing now.
Here's our other one.
And let's make. I need to check them out.
Not yet.
I'm not. I make a
Put
present.
it over there. Put it over there. Okay. Mines. Max, don't eat your chocolate yet. Wow, this one's not better.
I got Thor.
That is English chocolate. Let's put this one close to Captain America because that's the second one. Look at our collection so far. We got Black Widow.
And we got Captain America and Thor.
Stop! Max is like Hulk because he just knocked down all of the supervillains. Ah! This is the last Kinder Joy. Let's open them. Okay. Let's see what Max has.
I got Spider-Man.
Maybe you might get Spider-Man.
Just open the Spider-Man.
Let's fix these because then the supervillains will fall over. What do you have? Oh.
Spider-Man! I know
Max got Spider-Man, the black Spider-Man. Whoa. Max got the cool one. Let's build it. Put this in. Wow, Max looks cool. Why is this on the ground, I wonder?
it's wood.
And the spotlights.
Look at the Spider-Man.
It's mine.
The black Spider-Man.
Here.
Now let's open mine. Okay, I'll help you. Max, you can eat your chocolate if you want to.
Yay! Chocolate!
This is our last egg. Let's see who we got. We got doubles! We got Captain America again. I thought we were going to get a different one.
This check is Spider-Man.
Guess we have doubles now. Let's see the same villain. Yep, it's the same villain.
Have. This one's Thor. This one's Captain America. This one's Hulk. This one's Black Widow. This one's Spider-Man. And this is a double of Captain America.
The only one that we're missing is Iron Man, this Spider-Man, and this Spider-Man. Those are the only ones that we have left. Next time, let's see if we could get those. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And comment down below what should we do next. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.